1410, solve systems of linear inequalities by graphing. Plot all solutions to the system of linear inequalities. Okay, we're going to have to graph these. There's a couple of things you need to know. One is if it's got less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, it's a solid line. If it just has the greater than or the less than, it's a dotted. Okay, this one's going to be real easy to graph because it's already solved for y. So we're going to start with a y-intercept of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then my slope is negative 2/5. So we're going to go down 2 and over 3, 4, 5. I might do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is a solid line. So I'm going to draw as pretty as a line as I can. It's not real pretty. In red. Okay, the other one is not solved for y. So we might ought to do a little doctoring first. Let's go ahead and solve it for y and make things easier. Take my 4x to the other side. Negative 3y is greater than negative 4x minus 12. Divide everything by negative 3. When you divide an inequality by a negative, it swaps the inequality. Two negatives cancel. 4/3 x plus 4. Now we're going to graph that. We're going to start with the y-intercept. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, started at 4. Now my slope and once we get the y-intercept done, we slope off of it. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, and then we can slope down if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Now this one is going to be a dotted line. Yep, right there instead, okay. And it's going to run up through there. Now these are easy to graph when you're solved for y. The red one is solved for y, and it says less than. So we will be shading below this line. This one is solved for y, blue, and it is less than, so it will be below the blue line. Therefore, it ends up being this whole area shaded right here. It looks like the intersection of the two lines is somewhere around, somewhere around right here. So 1, 2, 3.5. It's just an estimation, by the way, just so you can see where they cross. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.5.